My mum's got this great big metal tank here. Once these, I don't know how you can see that. We've got these two doppers. These have got to come off because there's this great big plant here, and basically you can see the bottom of this plant and it's very rusty. So basically she wants that plant in there. Obviously it's got some holes in the bottom of it. That's why these have got to come out. I don't know how they look like rusty. So let's give it a go and see if I can take them off. So here's me having a go taking these off. Oh well, that one's completely break off. Now there are 6 screws to get out. I managed to get 5 of them out. 4 of them are snapped in half because they are like really old. One of them managed to be okay, it's not snapped, and this one here is refusing to come out. And let's see the head of the screw is kind of starting to go manky, like so. I don't know how to get this one out. I managed to get 5 out of 6 screws out, apart from that one there, which is quite stubborn. So let's see if I try and get that metal piece out there somehow. Try and back it up. I thought it was just a matter of getting the screws out, and then I don't know if it's been like soldered on or something. Might be able to just squeeze. There you go. I wonder if I might be able to do the same with this one. Don't know that tiny screw there. Little think about that. What I have done, I managed to take this off, but that screw is completely, well, the head's completely mucked up, and the bolt is absolutely, it's like just spins round and round in circles. It won't come off, so instead, like, you can be like a little door. Because like she's going to fill this up with earth, so if too much water comes out or too much earth, she can be like, just loads of water come out, you can just open it up. Don't want loads of water coming out like that, I suppose. Now it's over to my sister's house. She wants a door on the shed fixing. The bolt needs fixing, so I'm going to do that now. So see you in a bit. My sister's shed, as you can see, the bolt doesn't line up too well. And at the top as well. So it's a matter of taking those bolts off. I'm doing these 2 bolts here and then realigning it. And do these 2 bolts here. Closing and realigning. As you can see, I've realigned it, that's where the original hole there. So it's a matter of doing those 2 screws up. hopefully just be able to it's a bit tight, but it is possible. Now locks. Let's do the same top one. It's a matter of undoing these two screws here. Matter of bring this back, line this up and then bring that screw in there. The bottom screw down in here. Last few screws, a few times. Job done. As far as that's going to go in, I think. There you go, job done. Job done. Couple of DIY jobs done for my family during this lockdown. Just a quick show you how it's done kind of video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you.